guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video on this channel. I'm Daku Fury and I'm going to be doing a Cruella cosplay makeup tutorial. So I started already by putting my gray contact lenses in. I decided not to film that because I find it gross when people do because I don't like the whole pulling thing. So I decided to spare you guys from that. So with that out of the way, I'm going to start with my foundation just to get my skin looking a little bit better. So I'm going to be using my Mineral Fusion. Will she focus? She will not. Anyways, this is my Mineral Fusion foundation, so I'm going to start with applying this all over my face. So I just sort of shake the bottle a little bit to get all the foundation out to the front of the bottle, or else it's going to take me forever to get it out. And I just put it mostly on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. Just put a whole globs of it in those places so that I can smooth them out later. And then once I have all of the foundation in those places, I take my Moda brush and I just rub it all in to make my skin look more smooth and also to make it just one basic color, and it helps to cover up some of the blemishes. And then I put some more foundation on my nose and I sort of just rub that in too. So now that I have my just sort of base makeup out of the way, I'm going to be doing my contour with this NYX Wonder Stick Cream Contour and this Eye Trio brush. So I just rub the brush all over the contour to get it just all on the brush, and then I put it on the sides of my nose as close to the center of my nose as I can so that I can make my nose look more small, and then I put it underneath my nostrils and then over on top. And after I've blended out the contour, I'm going to use this Pharmacy liquid eyeshadow as my highlighter because I've used a lot of highlighters and I didn't really like them that much because they weren't shining enough for me, but this eyeshadow is, so I tend to use this instead of highlighter. So with the highlighter, I basically just put it wherever there isn't contour to really highlight my nose. So I put it on the front point and on the bridge. So next I'm going to be doing my eye makeup, and for my eye makeup I'm going to be using the black eyeshadow from the It Girl Beauty Box and some white gold eyeshadow from Deluvia USA, and also some more of the foundation just to cut my crease. So with this, sorry that it's mostly off camera, but I basically just put black eyeshadow all over my eyelids, and then I take it out to the side and make a little wing. I decided to use eyeshadow for the wing rather than actual liquid eyeliner. And so I just basically smooth out the eyelids so that it's really dark black all over. And then connect the wing to my bottom eyelid. And then after that, I take my foundation and put a little bit on my little sponge brush and then add that foundation to the corner of my eye and then blend that in so it's a little lighter on the inner corner of my eye. And so I just blend that in, and once I have that done, I take my lighter white glittery eyeshadow and then I just put a ton of that on a brush and then add that to the corner of my eye above where I put the foundation, and I just rub that in. Just put a whole bunch on there to make it really stand out against the black, and then I just blend the edge of that into the edge of the black. So that's how I do my eye makeup, and I'm gonna be doing the other eye off camera because my camera is about to die, even though I started with full power. It just drains really fast apparently. So I'm gonna go charge that and clean this up and also do the other eye. So while I let my camera charge, I finished both eyes, cleaned it up a little bit, and just added some mascara to both. Now I'm gonna be doing some more face makeup by doing my, I don't know, cheek, I guess, contour, and adding blush. For the contour, I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Stick again, and for the blush, I'm using Deluvia's Rose Blush. So when I do my face contour, I just sort of suck my cheeks in to see like where my cheekbones lie, and just add some of my cream contour there, and then blend it in with another one of my Moda brushes, one of my smaller ones. And then I rub it in a little bit more with my fingers to just sort of blend it out and make it look more natural against my very, very pale skin. And then once I have the contour done, I'm gonna take my blush, shake it out of the bottom, and then take my blush brush, put a ton of blush on that, and then just sort of put it on my cheeks above where I put my contour, just above my cheekbone. And then I rub that in to make it look more natural and less sort of globby. Now I'm gonna just add some highlight to my face. So with the highlight, like the blush, I put it above my cheekbone. Just put some of that on and then rub it in so it looks more like a natural glow. So next I'm going to be doing my lips, and for my lips I'm going to be using NYX's Liquid Kitten Heels lipstick as the base, and then I'm going to be adding NYX's Liquid Rome lipstick. So first I start out, like I said, with the kitten heels. Just put that all over my lips as the base coat and make sure that it covers all of my lips so that there aren't any spaces where the color looks uneven, because that just looks a little bit bad and we don't want bad. And then I just color that in. For this, I won't be overlining my lips because Cruella doesn't really do that. Her lips are more, you know, sharp rather than overlined, and I wanted to stick with that for her character. And then once I have the base coat done with my kitten heels, I grab my Rome color and I put that over at the center of my lips. Just add quite a bit on there so my lips aren't so bright. And then once I add that on, I just blend it out with the kitten heels. So next I'm gonna just be doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna just be shading them black so they match with Cruella's eyebrows better. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be changing them black with the same black eyeshadow that I used for my eye makeup. And don't worry, before you put your wig on, you're going to be looking a little bit crazy with those black eyebrows unless you have black hair. Again, don't worry, it's all part of the process. It'll look a lot better later. And just really shape those brows and make sure you get them completely black all over the brow. So, as you may have noticed, there's been a tad bit of a costume change since the last clip, but we're almost done with the makeup tutorial. So the only thing I have left now is these false eyelashes that I will be connecting with my Spirit Halloween adhesive. I'd suggest buying somewhere else, but I mean, it works. So I'm gonna go put these on and then I'm gonna be right back with the final result. So now my makeup is complete, and I will be including at the end of this video some better looking images of my cosplay, and I will also be including links to all of the products that I used in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and bye!